Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. These are my new sheets and I love them. These are by MEISHANG. They are a microfiber sheet and they are so silky soft. They really are. So it's not like silk, but man, are they smooth. Whew. One of the best features is that the fitted sheet is extra deep. I don't know about anyone else, but nothing bugs me more than when I'm barely able to squeeze my mattress into my sheet. These fit no problem, so I don't have to worry about the ends popping off and our sheets coming off. The second thing I love so much is this is a queen set and it came with 4 pillowcases. I don't know about you, but I'm fine with 1 pillow, but my husband likes 2. And so what usually happens is I have the 1 pillowcase that matches our sheets, and then he uses the pillowcase that matches our comforter and gets it dirty. So now he has 2 pillowcases that match our sheets. They come in tons of colors, so no matter what color you are wanting, these are a really nice pick. I was looking for a long time to find a color that matched our comforter really well, but was not green, because as you can see, I love green. And as much as I love green, I really wanted a contrast to all the green in our bedroom. If you're looking for a nice colorful set of sheets, this set by MEISHANG is perfect. So silky soft. You get 4 pillowcases and the fitted sheet will fit your mattress so wonderfully. But that's just my point of view.